Hello 4-H Club leaders. This tutorial will help you with screen sharing in Zoom. So to set up the screen sharing elements, you'll want to go to zoom.us. Go to your account in the top right corner. Come to settings on the left-hand side. When you're in there, you'll scroll down until you see the part that says screen sharing. And here you can see that the blue means that this feature is on, it'd be gray if it was off. You can decide if only you will be able to share your screen, or if all participants will. And who can start to share when someone else is sharing. It's great just to leave it for the host. You can decide if you don't want anyone to share their screen. Annotation is the ability to write on a shared screen, and whiteboard is a great content feature. Remote control sharing, I recommend turning it off. So what does it look like when you're in a meeting and you've already set up those different parameters? You'll come down to this green folder that says Share Screen. You have a lot of different options. You can share your desktop. You could share your Google Chrome. And this is what it would look like. You'd put Share down here, and it would go to your Chrome browser. You could stop that sharing. Again, if you wanted to share your screen, you could share a document that you had up, say, in Word or in Google Doc. This whiteboard feature is a great feature if you wanted to play Pictionary with other individuals. And there are a couple of other options. In the advanced, you could do just a portion of your screen or your music or computer sound only. So those are the different ways that you could share your screen.